In this video, I will show you how to upload songs on Spotify. In order to do this, you do need to make sure you've got the app downloaded. You can't currently do this on the web-based player for Spotify. So with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do, as I say, is make sure you've got the app downloaded. So once you've got that downloaded and you're logged into your account, you're then going to want to come to your profile icon up in the top right hand corner and just give that a click to get a drop down box. The next step from here is to come and click onto settings, and you're going to get a page that's going to look like this. And what you're going to want to do is just scroll down until you get to the section that says local files, and then you want to click onto show local files. So by default it's going to show songs from downloads and music library. So what you're going to want to do is any songs from your PC, you're going to want to make sure they're in those folders. If you do have a separate music folder, you can click this add a source button and go ahead and select the folder from your computer. And then once that's done, what you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and you want to click onto your library. So you see what's going to happen is going to add a folder called local files down here, and you just want to give this a click and this is going to bring up all your songs. So you can see a list of all the songs that are currently on my computer, and what you're going to want to do from here is add any of these to a playlist. So in order to do this, you can just choose any one of these. So I'm going to go for this one here, and if you look to the far right hand side, what's going to happen, you're going to get 3 dots. So what you're going to want to do is click onto the 3 dots and you're going to get the option to add to a playlist. So you can add this to an existing playlist you've created, or of course you can go ahead and create a new one. So I'm going to add it to my playlist number 1. And if I go back into my library, you can see the example playlist here which I've set up for this tutorial, and if I now click onto that playlist, you'll see the song has now been added to Spotify. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to give the video a like. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Spotify, make sure to click the on-screen prompt, which is going to take you across to a playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Spotify. And also be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.